What if you knew you could make a massive quantum leap in the power of your speaking in just 2 days? What if it's the kind of shift that becomes an automatic way of being for you? Takes out the thinking or efforting, but instead a powerhouse of flow and freedom. Do you think that just might make a difference for you when you deliver presentations? Or for the videos you create for your brand or business? Or for how you connect with clients and your sales? Perhaps up-level your fee if you're a speaker already. And what if you're just transitioning or starting out and want to cut the learning curve from years to what could be possible in just this one weekend? And I know it sounds like a tall order and big promises, but it's what happens again and again out of this profound speaking to wow work. WOW is an acronym for without walls. Without walls. What's possible when the barriers to your connection to your audience, your group, your client, the camera, your meetings, your purpose, even yourself is dissolved. It's life-changing. And whether you're a great speaker and want to hone your craft so you become even better and more masterful and impactful, or you're just starting out and wanting to get a massive head start and get that #1 skill you need for success in all areas of your business, the power of your speaking in all arenas. Or whether you're stuck in your head when you go to present and do videos, or have that innate stiffness that you wish you could just free yourself of. Or you want to be free of the nerves, fear, and anxiety around speaking once and for all. This one workshop delivers all that to you and more, all through the power of WOW approach to speaking. It takes you out of your head and right into your heart, and is like a switch for freeing you up. You literally see and experience transformations in minutes. And because it's so interactive, experience-based, and hands-on, this becomes part of you, always there to access, no matter what. Even if you don't speak again for years, it comes right back to you when held to task, because it's the same principle as riding a bike. Once you find balance on a bike, it stays with you even if you never get on a bike again till 20 years later. You've got balance. Well, same here. You've got the power to wow no matter what out of these 2 profound, utterly transformational days. I invite you to experience what's possible for you and enjoy and know the feeling of being unstoppable, on fire for what you do, the unshakable confidence and compelling presence, and make the highest impact you can make anytime you're in front of a group, a camera, or a client. Freedom waits for you here. Only thing is, the WOW workshop can only take 27 participants total. That's it. It's a small group intentionally, so you can get the full amount of transformation and hands-on work for everyone. So there's 20 VIPs and 7 mastery VIPs. Hands-on, interactive, and everyone gets one-on-one time and participates in all exercises and processes. The 7 mastery VIPs, however, have extra one-on-one time in front of the group in order to put one of the processes in action and on its feet. It's utterly transformative. And to get coaching so you can bring in prepared material that will take to an entirely different level. Just watch. Or better yet, use to implement the newfound power of knowing through this WOW approach that you can literally speak off the top of your head and nail it better than if you ever prepared every single word. It's truly amazing to witness and experience, and all there for you out of this work. So choose which level you want to play. And whatever you do, get yourself here so you can begin enjoying the power to wow starting now. And right now, there's a fast action bonus if you're one of the first 10 to register. And it's one you're going to want to leap on if you're going to join us. You'll get the power of these 2 days, and you'll get a bonus one-on-one session with me. Now that's a $600 value. And in these one session, just this one session, I've had people say they got more from me from that one session than they did with marketing teams that they paid thousands of dollars to over months. And we can work on what's specific to you. Keynote creation, your speaking ability and delivery, or getting that branding right, or the strategy, or the messaging that you want for your brand or business. All that you would need, we can get in that one session. And another bonus you get if you're one of the first 10 to register is the WOW Online Speaking and Launching Success Mastermind. That's online with me, live in a small group, live interacting with you every week for 12 weeks. It's phenomenal, the breakthroughs that happen in those 12 weeks. And it's covering all aspects of speaking and launching. Now that's a $1,497 value, $1,497 value. And so if you think about those two bonuses at the WOW VIP level for the workshop, that means you literally get all of this for less than the cost of the mastermind alone. And at the WOW Mastery VIP level, you're getting an additional $2,000 worth of value on top of the life-changing transformation out of these 2 days. I can't wait to dive inside the sandbox with you. And I'm so looking forward to you owning the power to wow now.